The Tapo C200 CCTV camera offers 1080p HD video, night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio. It also has a wide 360-degree pan and 114-degree tilt for comprehensive coverage and supports micro SD cards up to 128 GB for local storage. This camera is beneficial for home security as it allows real-time monitoring and communication via a smartphone app, providing peace of mind when you're away. It's ideal for keeping an eye on your home, pets, or kids, and can be used for monitoring small businesses or checking in on elderly family members. At Alpha Capital Security Systems, LLC, we provide and install the Tapo C200 CCTV camera, giving you top-quality security solutions. You can contact us on +9 71 55 408 4213 or visit our website for more information.